Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 14th block, which is types of food. Okay, and we have learned how the his cultivation has been started, the history of cultivation, agriculture, isn't it, children? So, in the second topic, we are going to learn how the farmers do the rice cultivation. How do they grow the crop of rice? Okay, so first step, the farmer has to plow the field. Okay, he has to plow the field. Earlier they used to use the cows and buffaloes to plow the land, agriculture land. Now they are using the tractors as in the picture. Okay, then they sow the seeds. Okay, they sow the seeds, then they allow the crop to grow. So while it is growing, the farmer uses water to he waters the crop so that it grows nicely. Okay, and along with that he use pesticide and insecticides so that the crop is not damaged because of the insects, because of the pest. So to avoid that, farmer use pesticides and insecticides also to protect the field from the pests and insects. Okay, next, when the crop is grown into brown color, okay, when the crop completely grows, then the farmer harvest the crop like this. He'll cut the crop. Okay, he will harvest the crop, and then they separate the grains from the husk. After separating, they collect that grains into the sacks, into the jute bags, and that is taken to the mill. Okay, mill, so that it is refined properly, it is cleaned properly. Okay, then it is sent to the market to be sell, and there we will buy the rice. Okay, so in this way the farmer grows the rice crop. Okay, children, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. Coming to your question answers, write what are the steps that a farmer needs to follow to grow the crop, to grow rice. So first the farmer has to plow the field, then he has to sow the seeds, then he has to grow the allow the crop to grow. That means he will be using the water, pesticide, insecticides, yes, to the crops so that the crops grows properly. And when the crop is grown, turned into brown, then he will harvest the crop, and then he will separate it from the husk, and then it is collected into the sacks and taken to the mill. Okay, steps to tell how a farmer grows the rice crop. Okay, children, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 2, page number 31, S2, rice cultivation. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.